everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I'm super excited. I have the CHIC Beauty Box. This is a bi-monthly beauty box. I didn't get one last month, so I'm going to assume it's the March-April box that I received. This box, hold on, let me tell you the price because I get so many subscription boxes. I lose track of how much money I'm spending and how much is each box. But you can do a one-time purchase of this box for $39.99. You can do the bi-monthly plan, which is what I think I got, which is $34.99 a month for 5 to 6 full-size items. Or you could do the annual plan. It's $189. What is this? Is this for the year? For the year. So I think I just do the bi-monthly, which is $34.99 a month, which may seem like a lot, but it's every other month, so you're not paying $34.99 every month. So it seems like a lot, but it's really not. And you, like I said, you get 5 to 6 full-size items that you get in your box. What I love about CHIC Beauty Box is it's all makeup. Like, it's no beating around the bush. No getting a whole box full of skincare. No box getting like all these random things where you're like, what is this? Hair products and skincare, and it's all makeup. And what I like about it is they normally give you like at least one drugstore item, and then the rest is like pretty much all name brand. But they give you like a nice happy medium, but it's all makeup. You do get to pick and choose a couple of your items in your box. I want to say it's like 2 to 3 items you get to choose. I never get to pick my items because like I rant about this all the time in all my makeup subscription unboxing videos, but they always make the choices like midday when people are actually working. Like, who has time to stop in the middle of the day, like 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock in the day? And it's not like it's on the weekends, they do it during the week, but who's time 10 o'clock in the day to choose? I wish they did them like in the afternoon, like 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. If I had a makeup subscription box, I would do it like at nighttime where people are home from work and they can actually have time to choose. But it's like, if people are working, like, I don't have time to like pick what I'm gonna stop what I'm doing midday to be like, oh, I gotta pick my choice for my CHIC Beauty Box. And all the I'm not just saying it for CHIC Beauty, because all the makeup subscription boxes all have them like in the middle of the day, like early in the day, which kind of sucks because I always miss the choices. But when I do remember, like by the time I'm on my lunch break, I just pick like whatever's left, which is normally what nobody wants, but nevertheless, this is the choices I got to pick that nobody else wanted. So, but not complaining, beggars can't be choosers. Some makeup subscription boxes, you don't even get to pick what you get. So I guess, in reality, it is what it is. I still happen to like the box. So the box is pink, my favorite color. And I'm gonna give you guys a sneak peek. This is what the sneak peek looks like when you open her up. So that's what it looks like. And what I love is like they give you like new stuff. Like this right here is like new. It's a Maybelline Lasting Fix Loose Setting Powder. It says All Day Matte Powder. This is what she looks like. Hold on. I could never do it properly. Hold on. There we go. So that's what she looks like. You would think after a year of having a channel I would be able to hold it properly, but nope. I still do it kind of messed up. This is an all white powder, and I mean, they say like all white powders is, you know, universal. But it's really not though, because like I don't know how this white powder is gonna look on my skin. Like it's like white. It's like powder white, and that tends to look ashy on my skin. So I don't know. Look, you see how light this is not gonna work for your girl. You see how light this is? How are they gonna say this is like universal? But I'm gonna try it, and if not, I do makeup on the side for my side hustle. Because like I said, I've always been a makeup artist at heart. That's how I got into the beauty industry, because I love makeup. So yeah, I'm super excited to try this out. It may not work for my skin tone, but I could always use it for my kids. So that's my first item. I I don't see a card in here. Normally there's a card. So I'm super disappointed that there's no card in here, guys. Look at this. No card. Normally, this is the first time I've seen it where there was no card. Alright. Let's see what else is in here. Like I said, I'm always happy that there's no anything else in here but makeup. So I think I chose this. It's a Huda Beauty lip pencil. This is what the box looks like. This color is in Trophy Wife. I think I have one of their lip colors called Trophy Wife. I hope this color looks good on me. Oh, it's not mechanical. It's one that you sharpen. This is what the color looks like. It's like a berry color. So super excited for that. I got a luxury lipstick by Rodin. I've never heard of this brand before, but excited to try something new. This is what the box looks like. Ooh, she fancy, she fancy. This is what it looks like. This packaging though. This color is definitely too light for me, so I'm definitely gonna give this away. I wish I could wear this color, but I really can't. It's too light. So this will go in my box full of all like the makeup items I'm gonna give away. The color is too light for your girl, so that's a bummer. I got a Moisture Lock Grapefruit Oil Infused Lip Treatment. This is beautiful, guys. Look at this bad boy right here. Wow, 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 wow. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Hold on. Hold on. Yes, this is by Milani. Go Milani. Oh, and it's grapefruit. Hold on, let me smell it. Hold on. Mmm. It really does smell like grapefruit. Let me put a little bit on. Mmm. It smells like grapefruit. Super excited for this. Looking in the viewfinder, whatever you call it, monitor. It's nice. I'm here for it. Very nice. The next thing I got is this huge palette from NARS. I do not know what this is. I think I chose it, but I may not. Like I said, when you choose your items, you choose them so far in advance that when you finally get it, like, you don't even remember what you picked. Guys, look how pretty this is. Yes, NARS. So I want to say, is this a lip brush? Yes, they give you a lip brush with a little cap. And let's see what she looks like. Oh, it's a lip palette. This is beautiful. This is what the lip palette looks like. Wow, wow, wow. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Yes, NARS. Very nice, very nice. And it has a mirror. I don't know if I chose this or not, but nevertheless, I'm happy. I like it. We could always use a lip palette. How much did I pay for this? I don't even remember how much I paid for my boxes. Let me check again. It was $34.99. Not for $34.90. This palette definitely was more than $34 because it's NARS. I got a Huda Beauty lip pencil. I got a Milani lip treatment oil. I got a Maybelline loose powder, and I got a Rodin lipstick. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 makeup items. I normally give like 5 makeup items, which most makeup subscription boxes gives 5 items. But not too shabby for $34.99. Like, honestly, I think it's worth it. CHIC Beauty is definitely one of my favorite makeup subscription boxes. I must honestly and truly say, like I said, because it's all makeup, and I'm really into like makeup. I mean, can't you tell? My YouTube channel's name is Aisha Loves Makeup. So I had to get this subscription box because I love makeup and I love trying new things. I would give this subscription box a I would give it an 8 out of 10 just because the lipstick was too light for me. Which probably wasn't their fault. They wouldn't necessarily know that the color was going to be too light for me. I don't recall doing like any type of like profile as far as like when you do like Birchbox or Ipsy or BoxyCharm, you got to take like some type of like quiz that asks you questions about yourself, and they pick stuff for you catering to, you know, like your skin tone, your skin type, like your complexion. I don't recall doing that for CHIC Beauty. Maybe I did, but I don't remember because, like I said, I have so many makeup subscription boxes that I could barely remember from one next to the next. But nevertheless, I'm super excited to try the new things that I got. I am very happy and excited for this subscription box. Like I said, it's one of my favorites. Yeah, super excited. So, I think I'm gonna do my Ipsy Glam bag next. I'm stalling on doing my Ulta haul, but I gotta do. But I want to bang out these subscription boxes first since they're time sensitive. I want to film them all in April because you guys know the last couple of months I've been showing some of them like way past like the following month. So I'd rather bang these out while it's still in the month, and then I could always do the Ulta haul afterwards. So I'm definitely going to still show it, but I know you guys want to see. It's hard. It's hard. I'm trying to juggle both of them, but I think I'm gonna do my Ipsy. Yeah, I think I'll do my Ipsy next glam bag. And if you guys haven't seen, like I said, if you guys haven't checked out my Ipsy PR box that I got, which I'm still super ecstatic for, and I still can't believe that Ipsy sent to me. I'll link that down below for you guys to watch. And that's really about it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for your love and your support. If you haven't already, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Please do so. I appreciate the love. My channel is growing, so thank you guys so much for everyone who's been, you know, supporting me, subscribing, commenting. I appreciate you all. And that's really about it. I'm gonna see you guys all in the next video. Thank you guys so much. Love you guys. Bye.